Hello, my name is Princy Pereira and
Hi,
I would like to
myself
share my
Vani. I
experience
have
from the
completed
internship.
my
During this
internship
internship,
with
I learned a
Unified
lot
Mentor
about
as a
data
full
analysis,
stack web
especially
development
working
intern.
with
It was a
Python,
great learning
Streamline,
experience.
and
I got
data
to work on the
visualization
projects like
and real-world data
Weather
sets.
app,
It
which
helped
uses
me
API
improve my
integration, or
technical
student
skills,
teacher booking
problem solving,
appointments,
and
which also
confidence.
uses
I
Firebase and
really
Cloud
liked
Firestore.
the
I
hands-on
had
task, practical
such a great time working on
assessments,
this project,
and
which
support provided
makes my
throughout the
knowledge
program. The
or my
structure was
theoretical
easy to
knowledge
follow
worked into
and
the
I could
practical
apply
ones.
everything
It
directly. This
improved my
internship
skills in
gave me
HTML, CSS,
industrial level
JavaScript, and
experience and helped
also
me
I
understand
happened to
how
learn new
data
skills
analysis
like
is
React, Node,
used in real
and
projects,
Firebase
and
as
I
well.
had a great learning
I had
experience.
such a
Thank
great
you so
time.
much.
Overall, the mentors in
Hello,
Unified
my name is
Mentor are
Princy
so
Pereira
supportive.
and I would
Any
like to
doubts can be
share
solved
my
if I message
experience
them or
from the
call them
internship.
in any time,
During this internship,
which
I
was a
learned a
great
lot
thing which
about
makes
data
every
analysis,
task
especially
easier.
working with Python,
Thank you,
Streamline,
Unified Mentor, for
and
giving me
data
this opportunity,
visualization
and I'll
and
recommend to all the
real-world data
students to
sets.
gain the
It helped
work
me improve my
experience
technical
and the
skills,
real life
problem
experience
solving,
with this.
and
Thank
confidence.
you.